Hello friends. I made two scripts. One makes the selected meshes have a complex collision. You need to select complex objects and run the script, and it will do everything automatically. The second one removes collisions from selected meshes. You can select hundreds of complex meshes, run a script and go for a walk, do other things, etc. The script will do everything for you. Collision removal script works instantly. I came up with the idea to make scripts when automatic collision when importing into Unreal Engine 5 was not done correctly. I began to correct the collision manually and it tired me. Now I do everything automatically using a script. Saves a lot of time. The script can be opened in Notepad and set up hull count, max Hull Verts and hull precision by inserting your own values. Watch the video and see how convenient and fast it is. Tested in Unreal Engine 5.2.0. I haven't tested it in UE4 version, I don't think it will work. PS, I don't know English. I use machine translation.
astronomical.